Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring NLP for beginners, and in this video we will be exploring stopwords in NLP. So without wasting any time, let's move to our Colab notebook that we have created for this course. So this is a Colab notebook as you can see, and in this video we will be strictly focusing on stopwords. So what are stopwords? Stopwords are the words that are removed from natural language data because they are considered insignificant. So in simple words, stopwords are the words that do not help in NLP. Instead, they create problems while building a model in NLP. So it's better to remove stopword. The famous stopwords are is, of, the, was, and so on. But sometimes removing stopwords can also remove the entire meaning of the sentence. I will explain this concept with an example. So let's type a text, and I will simply type sentence for which is I am eating. And another sentence is I was eating. So these sentences are written present tense and past tense as you can see. And after removing the stopwords from these two sentences, the output will be I eating. And for the second sentence, the output will also be C because am and was are stopwords. So as you can see here, the actual meaning of that word is removing if we remove the stopwords. So that's why in some cases stopwords are efficient to remove, and in some cases stopwords are necessary to be included in sentence. So let's run this cell, and we will be removing stopwords by Spacy library only. So let's import that library, and I have imported library, and let's create an object of this library in the word NLP that I have shown you in previous video. So in this line, the small model of Spacy is get initialized. One thing I would like to tell you about stopword is that the stopwords are found based on their presence and not any mathematical or statistical calculation. Spacy has a list of stopwords. I will show you them right now. So to list the stopword available in Spacy library, the command is so as you can see, I have written the command which is spacy.lang.en.stopwords.stopwords. So the stopwords of this Spacy library are stored in this method as you can see. Now let's run this to see the output. And as you can see, these are the stopwords that are available in Spacy library. And Spacy library will remove all these words if they are found in the sentence. So the stopwords are until, up, upon, us, use, using, various, via, well, and the list is on as you can see. Now let's try this Spacy model to remove the stopwords. So it's very simple. You have to just import a text first. So let's take a text from Google only. So I have simply searched here NLP, and I will simply copy this, let's say first sentence only, and I will simply paste it here. Now let's run this cell. And as you can see, the cell has run successfully without any errors. Now let's give this text to NLP. So I will simply like a doc equal to, the command is exactly same that I told in the last video. And let's run this cell. And also the for loop that I told in last video is also same. So I will simply just copy this. Now in this if condition, I am just checking that if the word is not stopword, then only print that word. This is the meaning of this if statement. Now let's run this cell to see the output. And as you can see, natural language processing NLP is. So as you can see, is and are removed from here. Then off is also removed, AI that is also removed. And as you can see, this is the output. So in short, Spacy is the efficient model to remove the stopword from the entire textual data. And this textual data can be of any size starting from 1 to 1 lakh words. And Spacy plays an efficient role to remove the stopwords from a big amount of data in very short span of time. So in this video, we have successfully learned how we can remove stopwords from textual data using Spacy library. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And also if you face any queries or any doubts related to stopwords or any video in this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video will be available in the video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.